If your AdSense PIN has not arrived yet, don't panic. You know, most creators have been delaying their own verification without even realizing it. In this video, I will show you the biggest AdSense mistake that most creators have been doing. In fact, I have been in the AdSense verification myself, and I know how it feels when you get stuck in the AdSense verification. If I mention AdSense verification, then all what I'm talking about is getting this mailed to you. Alright, that is your 6-digit PIN code. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you don't commit the mistakes I made when I was doing my AdSense process. Let's get started. If you are a YouTuber and you have currently been approved for the YPP, the YouTube Partner Program, then one of the important steps you will eventually meet or face is the AdSense verification. This process is very simple, but creators around Ghana, Nigeria, and other parts of Africa, or let me say in Africa, find it difficult to complete this particular AdSense process. And the reason is that most of us are doing things wrongly. Now, this video is going to solve that problem or educate you so you do not commit that same problem. So first of all, let's understand what AdSense verification is. So when your AdSense earning reach the minimum threshold of $10, now Google will mail you a 6-digit PIN. Now, what is the importance of getting this PIN? This PIN is to ensure that you are the owner of the account. So normally this PIN is being mailed to you to your physical address. However, you can also use persona, but that one I will talk about it later. So now let's look into the mistake causing all the problem. Mistake number 1, entering of wrong address. You know, for creators in Ghana, using your own house mail or your own house address sometimes seems impossible because of how the system works. However, you can use a postal address, but refrain from using PO box blah blah blah, PO box. No, don't use that one. Make sure you are using the postal address, but you are using the location of the postal address. So example, I'm gonna show you a location on my own. So make sure you are using a location which is very readable. Okay, so put the part of Accra you add it. Then if there is a post office there, you show that this particular post office is where you want to go and pick up your PIN. Then if there is a landmark around the area, you find one particular popular landmark and add it to your address, just like how you are seeing on the screen. Good. So once you are done, your second step should be your number. After the main address, the second one should be your number, where you put your full active number there. So in case your PIN arrives and you are not aware, those workers out there can call you to come for your PIN. This is the first mistake. Now the second mistake is requesting for duplicate PIN repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly and too early. Now I understand creators. This is coming from the fear that their adverts will be stopped on their channel, because if you are not able to verify your address, the advert on your channel is going to be paused after 4 months, or exactly 4 months. So that is why most creators keeps on requesting for address repeatedly. But this is how you should do it. You should remember that every PIN requested must take 3 weeks or 4 weeks for it to arrive at your postal address location. So if you request for one, you need to have patience wait for it, and make sure the most important thing is what I said earlier on. Make sure your address is correct. If the address is correct, you will definitely receive it without any issues. Now, the third mistake is that most creators start entering wrong pins, even though just like trying to enter something if it will pick. So they just try entering some pins thinking that if they exceed all the 3 attempts, Google will easily allow them to take a picture of their face, and maybe their ID, and then they are good to go. No, in your case, it might be different. So make sure you don't easily lose your 3 attempts. Okay, so if you request for one pin, you wait for the 3 to 4 weeks, then you can also request for another pin if the first pin hasn't yet arrived. So if you have watched my video and it solved at least 1 or 2 problems you are facing on your AdSense account, then what you can also do to help me is to like this video and copy this video's link and share it to your friends and your families. Now, the least thing you can do is to subscribe to our channel, because this time around we are going deep into AdSense problems and how you can solve them. Lastly, we are looking forward to see you in our next video. Thank you.